I'm going to show you how to create a blog web page for your business or yourself. It's super easy. First you go to Google, get an account, a Gmail, then you can sign up with Blogger. Once you do that, you can create a blog. This doesn't cost anything. I'm going to walk you through how to set this exact blog up just like it is. You got the About Us, put this picture here, you got services, this links to a post. So what is a post? Blogger, you've got posts and pages. There are two different things. Pages are more things like your disclaimer. So if you want a new page, you just press this button up here at the top for a new page. And if you're over here in post, you want a new post, you click that button. So this is using the Soho theme, this one, with the cat in it. And then you got to remove your cat and put your own picture. I'll show you how to do that. Up here, go to Customize, and then right there, click Change Image. And then you can collapse that and open this, and then this is where you change all your colors for everything, text and everything, all kinds of colors. So that's how you change that picture. And you can use any of these other ones, but this is Soho. So now you got to go over here into layout. This is where everything happens at. So like you see here, it says welcome. That is a text gadget. Right? Welcome, blah blah blah. Very simple stuff. So you could add that by pressing that button, add gadget. You get all these gadgets. That is the text gadget right here. So you click that. Welcome to. And then that's there. And then you can move it. You can put it over here. Put it over here. These ones that have gray are movable. You move your AdSense around for your ads. So let's go back here, down here, you press save, and there it is. Now these ones have links that you can change, so remove that. Yes. Let's see, link list. Link list gadget. So that is this link list here. So you click that, add that. Then you put Google and the title link list. But you gotta put the title in here is the thing about this. Now you can add the link. Then you're over here and you can change it. So let's see what that looks like. Link list. So then you're going to have to find a graphic designer for this main landing page picture, and for this up here if you want an image up here. But you could change that. This is the one where it's selective in what you can do. You can make this blank. You can either just have text, if you make it transparent so this doesn't appear and that doesn't appear. You can make it with no image too, so just text. So I will show you how to do that. It's the header. It's title behind description. But you could put it this way. Then it becomes this huge thing. It's a big picture. And you can do it that way. There you got your description. But the preferable one is this one. Or you could just remove the image. And you add one, or you put a link to an existing image on the internet. And now it's just text. You can make this blank. Alright, so these are your posts. You can select how many to show. You can show 1, 2, 20. Doesn't matter. This is what happens if there's no picture in the post. No picture. You can turn all this stuff off too. Comments, email, and share. It just gives you this to get the link. So this one has pictures. Picture, the picture, very simple stuff. Over here, this one is a different kind of link list, this GSA. This is a link list. Oh no, it isn't a different one, is it? I just added another one to it. Whereas this other one is just one of them, products. So what I did here was, this is the services and this is the products. But I also put pages, so if you click services, you just go to this post, which you could display or not display the post if you just wanted a blank looking blog website. So the page list is a little bit tricky, because what you have to do is you have to go here and select to show it. Showing all pages. Show pages. So now, let me save it. Where did it go? Pages. Try this one. Show pages. Okay. So now you can list all your pages, just like the posts over here for pages. I just got the one. But you can fill this all up. And then you can fill all this up and select which ones you want to show. Home always shows. So it's one way to do it. You list it like this, or go with that. So that's how to make a blog or a website in Blogger for Business. So pretty easy. You can move all these around as I was showing earlier. Just drag and drop them here and there. Okay, I'll put this over here. And you can make it show up inside of the post down here. If it's a different template, then you've got to add this stuff again. So you do something like this, put up here. There's your About Us at the top. You can change the color and the background and all that sort of stuff with all these. Now the Contact Us is here. Still here, that's still there. So you can make this show or not show. Let's see. What did I turn off? This one, featured post. Show featured post. And I turned this other one off too, which was the popular post. Show that. These are gadgets. These are all in this gadget thing up here. Featured post. You could add to HTML. Followers, image, labels is good. I'll show you what that is. Over here, you've got labels. And you could type any word you want here. And then when you're over here, it'll show what the label is up here. It'll show all of them. There is a HTML you could use to always show it, so it's not if you're scrolling over. And then at the bottom of your post, it'll show what your labels are. So then, if the label gadget was showing over here, why is it not showing? It's probably not showing because I don't have any labels. Make a label. Go to posts and put business. So there you go. Business is now a label. So then I come back here, it should show, there it is. And then it'll show post with label. And you can change the color of this one here. So now you come here and where's that? It's up here. My other blog, it's down here in a box. That's what labels does. And that's for posts. You can come over here and add another one. So how do you do that? When you're over here, there's labels here, and you click that. That's how you add labels to your posts. You come over here, you do HTML. You drop all kinds of HTML in here. Doesn't matter. Undo, go back to compose view. Here you can add images, put a link. If you got, let's say, Google. You want to make that a link, come up here and put www.google.com. New tab. Now it is a link. And you can preview what everything's going to look like. It'll look like that. Publish, confirm. So this should be blue. And it is. Google, open a new tab. So there's that popular post I was showing you earlier, and the featured post. But basically, this template is super easy for creating a simple business or just a simple blog. That's the Soho one, this one. Could just click this one and it'll swap everything over to this. Just like that. I click this, it'll switch everything to this. Just automatically. One thing you're going to want to do is back up your blog. Once you get it looking something like you want it, it's a small file, you download this to your computer. Because what happens is if you go from this to this, it's different layout, so it'll change some things. In the over here in the layout, because I already did this, and you'll notice here what's new. These are blanked out and they're not visible. Show, and that happened because I was using a different template at first. But yeah, that's the short and easy way. You can make other blogs. Up here you click this and then you can create multiple blogs. You come down here to settings and you can turn this on or off for search engines and set other options, how many posts you're going to show. And so that's all it is. Very simple.